What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna draw Pumbaa from The Lion King. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Let's begin with drawing his left eye. So I'm gonna take a point here and draw a small curved line diagonally to the right. And then I'm gonna take slightly outside of that point to the left and make another curved line to the right and downwards, and then I'm extending it out and make a turn to the front of the nose and stop there. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally to the left and upwards, like that. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw another curved line outwards, like that. So that's where the snout, the top of the snout is. So we're gonna draw a triangular shape, but with a curved line on the side. So for the front part of the snout, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and to the left side, and then turn it back to the right and go slightly downwards and curve it slightly upwards, and then make a semicircle turn and go upwards and to the left to the top of the snout. Now on the right corner of the snout here, I'm gonna draw a curved line back to the right and downwards, and then go up and then slightly go straight to the right. Now at this point here, I'm gonna draw his teeth and make a curved line up to the center of the eye there, and then make a sharp turn back down and make a semicircle turn back to the snout. Okay, now on the left side of the snout, I'm gonna add the other teeth. So you're gonna draw a curved line outwards and then go up and then go back down and to the left side of the snout. I'm going to go back to the eye and I'm gonna draw a curved line for the lower side of the eye here, like that. And then on the left side of his face, we're gonna draw his cheek. His cheek is a bit sharp there, so we're gonna take this point here and draw a curved line to the side and outwards, and then turn it back in and upwards, and then we're gonna draw a line upwards and then turn it back to the forehead. And then between the eyes, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, like that. And then his right eye, we're gonna draw a curved line up here and go down. And then his right eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the left corner here. And then for the right side of the eye, I'm gonna draw another curved line in the opposite direction. And then below the eye, I'm gonna draw another curved line like that, and another one here. Then on the side of his teeth there, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the cheek upwards, and then we're gonna draw a bracket curved line at the end of the mouth. And then from this corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front of the mouth for the lower section of the mouth and curve it to the front and stop there. Then for the front teeth, I'm gonna draw a line upwards from here and then turn it to the right and then turn it back down here. And then at the corner of the teeth, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards towards the snout, a curved line there. And then on the side, I'm gonna trace the same shape upwards. Inside of his mouth, I'm gonna draw his tongue. So I'm gonna draw a curved line here to the bottom part of the mouth. Then a short one just below these teeth here, and another one at the corner of his mouth. Now for his nostrils, I'm gonna draw an oval shape, but we're gonna start from here, this point, and draw an oval down. And then we're not gonna connect with the upper part of the oval, but we're gonna veer off a little bit to the side there. The inside of that shape, we're gonna draw a curved line following that shape there. And then for this side, I'm gonna draw it a bit different. So we're gonna start with a curved line above and then turn it down. And then on the left corner of that shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line similar to an oval. So we're gonna draw it to the sides. And stop there. And then inside, we're gonna draw a similar shape like that. Now going back to the front, below the lower section of his mouth, I'm gonna draw the corner of his teeth here, a curved line, a semicircle curved line inwards, and extend that with a curved line to up to there. And below of that shape, around here in the center, I'm gonna draw a curved line, a semicircle, downwards and towards his main body. Now for the side of his face, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point up to the right corner of his cheek there, and then we're gonna draw that sharp cheek on the right from this point here, and I'm gonna draw a curved line up and then turn it back to the eye and stop there. And at this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the eye. Now inside the eye, I'm gonna quickly add his pupils. So we're gonna draw a semicircle at the bottom corner here. Then I'm gonna add a tiny little white circle inside, and the same goes to this lower right corner of this eye as well. Then below that eye, I'm gonna add a small line and another line here. Now at the left corner of his eye, slightly above here, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and then turn it slightly down, and then make a sharp turn back to the right and go down and turn it to the right again. And inside of that shape, I'm going to take this point here and draw a curved line towards the eye, and another one below that, like that. And then above the right side of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards as well, and then go up, go back to the side, and then we're going to do a sharp turn down and slightly to the left and then to the left. And inside of that shape, we're gonna draw from the center line, center point here, curve line outwards, and then go to the side. And for the bottom part, we're gonna do a mirror shape going out and to the side. Now behind his head, I'm gonna draw right below the chin here a curved line to the back, and then slightly curve it up. And then from this point, I'm gonna turn it with a curved line upwards, and then slightly to the back, and then offset to the back. Here I'm gonna slightly follow the shape of the front line of the tail and go up and stop at the same position. And then for the tail, I'm gonna take the upper point here and draw a curved line outwards, and then make a sharp turn down, and then go back out and make a sharp turn in, and then go out again, and then go down and make a sharp turn up and down again, and then up and then down again, and up and down again, and up, and make a semicircle to that point. Now on top of his head, we're gonna draw his hair from this point here, a curved line upwards, and then make a sharp turn to the side, and then make a sharp turn up, and then back down, and then up and slightly to the back and down, and then again and again and again. Now beyond the ear, I'm gonna continue that line here to the back, and then slightly make a sharp turn in, and then back out, and then make a sharp turn in and out and in and out, and we're gonna end it there. Now for his tummy, I'm gonna start with the front part here, a curved line to the back, and stop there. Then we're gonna draw that front foot first. So I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line down and out, and then go back in, and then make a turn to the front and turn again to the front. And for his hoofs, I'm gonna draw on this corner here a triangular shape to the front like that, and then another one, a bigger one on the side here. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally to the right and up, and then turn it slightly to the left, and then go back up, and then we're gonna turn it back up at this corner. And for the side of his tummy, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line from this point up to the side, and then turn it up as you get to the back. Now from the lower point of his tail here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, out, and then go back in, and then go back out, and make a slightly sharp turn back to the front, and then turn it to the front and down. And then for the front part of the hind leg here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point here, and slightly to the back, and go back to the front. And we're gonna draw that triangle hoofs, a similar shape on this hind leg. And then for the other hind leg, we're gonna trace the same shape from this point here, and then in and down. And for the front part, we're gonna draw from this point here, go to the side and turn that up, and then the hooves. And then for the front legs, on the left side here, I'm gonna trace the same shape as the right side. Like that. And we're gonna add the hooves. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.